What is going on? Chef Ricky here, back again with another tutorial video, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I make the pastrami and cheese pizza. So let's go. So before we get started, I just want to say that if you're liking these videos and you're loving the recipes, then you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. You're going to want to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you haven't bought your copy of the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook, the link is going to be down in the description, so go pick up your copy today. This book has over 50 of the most simple, delicious recipes that you're going to love. And on top of that, it's going to make your diet a hell of a lot easier. So go pick up your copy today. All right, let's get to the recipe. Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to be needing some 0% Greek yogurt. We're going to be using 175 grams of the yogurt. We're going to be using, this is all-purpose flour. We're going to be using 1 cup of the all-purpose flour. Now you could use gluten-free flour. You could use self-rising flour. You can use whatever flour you have and whatever flour you need for your specific needs. If you're using a self-rising flour, you won't have to add any baking powder. So today we're not using self-rising flour, so we're going to be using about a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. I'll have all the measurements in the full recipe in the description, and I'll probably lay out on the screen as well. Okay, so we're going to be also adding some garlic powder, a bit of salt, and this is like Italian seasoning. We're gonna put a bit of Italian seasoning, and if you don't have Italian seasoning, you could just go without the Italian seasoning. Just put the garlic, the salt, and you could even add some onion powder. It's gonna make the dough taste really good. And I also forgot, we're also gonna add some everything but the bagel seasoning. We're gonna add that around the crust. Okay, so, and for the toppings, we're gonna be using some white mozzarella cheese. We're going to be using some already prepared pizza sauce from the store. Now you could use homemade sauce, you could use whatever sauce you have available. It's very easy, just go to the store and get yourself some pizza sauce. We're going to chop up a bit of mushrooms, and we're going to be using some store-bought pastrami. Now, like I said, I'm making the pastrami and cheese pizza. You don't have to use the pastrami. You can use whatever protein source that you have. You can use chicken, you can use bacon, you can use sausage, but you know me, I like my pastrami, okay? So you're gonna need a big bowl too. A big bowl, we're gonna mix it all in the bowl. Well, you're gonna see, okay? So let's get to the recipe. Okay, so there is the dough ball, and as you can see, you have to work at it a little bit because it's a bit dry. So the more you mix it in, the more it blends in with the yogurt, and the easier it is. You see, the easier it is to bind all together to make a nice dough ball. You're gonna want to work at it to make it nice and round, and you don't want it too thick. If it's too thick, the center won't cook. So you're gonna want it about a quarter inch thick, okay? So if you see that it's sticking, you're gonna put a bit of flour, or you could spray your hands with some of this PAM so it doesn't stick on your hands, okay? Okay, you're gonna wanna work at it. Now you could take a rolling pin, but if you don't have a rolling pin, I'm showing you another option, okay? You can spray. If If you don't want to use any flour, waste some calories just for this process, then just spray the cutting board. Okay, so there it is out of the oven. So what I ended up doing was 8 minutes on one side and then flipping it over, and about 6 to 7 minutes on the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna put on our toppings and then we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna use this pizza sauce. Now this is 40 calories per 60 ml. It's a quarter cup. It's not much, but we're not putting a quarter cup. So if you want to count the calories, there, 60 calories. Just like that. Okay. Perfect. So now we're going to put the cheese. We have 120 grams of light mozzarella cheese. Maybe save some for the top. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, so now for the pastrami, we have 110 grams. Now this is like a lunch meat, so you just weigh this raw. No, you can eat it like this. Like that. I'm actually not going to use all of the pastrami, so I'll see at the end. I'll calculate the difference for the macros. Perfect. Top it off with some mushrooms. Okay. Now we're gonna put the everything but the bagel seasoning. So what I like to do is I take a bit of liquid egg whites and you just wanna brush the edges. Just so that the seasoning sticks. Okay. Now this stuff, if you're in the States, that you can get it at Trader Joe's. And here in Canada, we had it at Walmart, which I was very happy about. So everything but the bagel seasoning. Okay, and that's it. So now we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? So let's go. You're gonna wanna put it in the same position, just about the middle. Okay, so let's see. And there it is. Yeah, that's ready. Okay, so let's put it here. Now we're gonna take a nice picture. We're gonna cut it and we'll do a taste test. Oh yeah, you guys are going to love this. So now we're gonna cut it and we'll do a taste test for the camera. One last shot before I cut it. This thing smells amazing. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, you see the inside. Fully cooked. It smells really good. So delicious. You guys are seriously gonna enjoy this. Okay, let me try this crust. Look at that. Okay. Actually, this is not even mine. I didn't make this for me, but I'm gonna try not to eat it all. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Yeah, ready? This is not for me. Okay. You tell me. Hold on. Here's the proof. It's my wife, by the way. She's part of the Kino Baddie program. And yeah, go ahead. Good? Really? Did I put enough cheese? Enough pastrami? Never enough cheese. Yeah. Never enough cheese. Yeah. No, seriously, you like it? Would you recommend this to the baddies?
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So we got a winner. You guys, try this out. Let me know. And make it your own. Don't have to use pastrami. Don't have to use cheese. Make it your own. Post it in the group and tag me. And I'm sure everyone would like to see your own creation. Everyone would like to see your own pizza style. I like pastrami. I like tons of cheese. I don't like too many veggies on my pizza, so I put a bit of mushrooms, and usually with this I have like a big salad on the side, so that's how I like to do it. Okay guys, so that is gonna do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it.
I love the crust.
She loves the crust. She said she loves the crust. Okay, so if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these, and get that Movie Star Chef recipe cookbook. Get it today. There's tons of delicious recipes like this in the book. Everyone is killing it in the Movie Star Chef Facebook group. Everyone is enjoying the recipes, and yeah, that's it. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. All right guys, have a great night. Ciao.